Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the read and write storage speed test between the OnePlus 8T versus the Poco X3 device. As you can see here friends, and the OnePlus 8T has a UFS 3.1 storage speed, right? And whereas the Poco X3 has a UFS 2.1. So there's a little bit kind of difference between the speed read and write speed rates between both of the smartphones. So in this video, I'll be using the two different applications to test the read and write speed capabilities. First is the Android Bench. So let me try to open the Android Bench application. So let me try to run the benchmarks at same time in both the phones. So let's see how much difference you can expect from the 3.1 to the 2.1. So this is a high range mobile phone. This is a mid range mobile phone segment. So this is just a comparison between the two different versions of the UFS storage speeds. So let's see which phone will be the of course the 3.1 will be the winner, but how much difference will it be there? Let's see friends, from the 2.1 to 3.1. So let's see, even we can check which phone will actually finish the test faster than expected. So as you can see, the OnePlus 8T has been finished the test, which is very faster. So the Poco X3 is still the read and write results are going on, as you can clearly see here friends. I think the test has been completed within, I think, maybe 10 seconds of time. That's very fast. So you can understand the how much speed capabilities of this UFS 3.1 versus the UFS 2.1 device. So right now you can see, let me try to take the screenshots of this storage speed, so I can compare the screenshots at same time in both the phones. So I can zoom in and I can compare. So it is a sequential read speeds, as you can clearly see here friends. So you can see the difference between the UFS 2.1 versus UFS 3.1. So 3 and the 2. So you can see 1760. I think it's triple the speed of the UFS 2.1. That's very good. Even the sequential write speed is also, I think, 7 times faster. So 150 versus the 6 to 7 times faster. And random read is double. And write is also kind of double to the speed. And next is that this one, and this is close to, I think, kind of double speed. And even the update is also double speed, and even the delete is also kind of close to double speed. So overall, I can see there is a huge difference between the UFS 2.1 versus 3.1 device. So in the few scenarios, it's a kind of double speed and the triple speed you can get in the 2. And 3.1 device. So what it means for you? So it means that when you're copying the files from the USB OTG pen drive, for example, these are OTG pen drive. If you're copying the files in the OnePlus 8T device, the files will be copied very faster. So this might take only 1 minute to copy that big file, and the Poco X3 might take 3 to 4 minutes to copy the same file. So I'll try to do that kind of comparison in another video, but in this video, just let's focus only on the benchmarking applications. So let me try to open the other application, which is a CPDT application. So let me try to start the test at same time. So let's see now which phone will finish faster. Of course, this phone will finish faster, but how much faster? Let's see right now. And it's finished. The second step also finished, and third step it's continuing in the OnePlus 8T. So you can clearly see the scores as well right now at the moment, how much it is. And in the first one, the 5 times faster, the OnePlus 8T. And in the second one, I think 3 times faster, 2 to 3 times faster. And in the third one, it's twice. So as I said, overall, it's twice and 3 times faster in this kind of benchmarking. As you can see, friends, 4 GB and 15 GB. So this is a quick benchmarking test comparison between both of the smartphones, a UFS 3.1 versus the UFS 2.1 device. And for more interesting this kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly. So as I said, in the upcoming videos, I'll try to do the same copy file transfer in the OnePlus 8T and in the Poco X3 device as well. So let's see how much difference will it be there in between both the smartphones. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. So let me try to take the screenshots here. For the I can show you the results in the future as well, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.